Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you the way that I could using multiple accounts to mass comment on Twitter. Okay, so here's my tool. I could using to manage and using multiple Twitter accounts. So first is the account management. So in here you can add and manage a limited Twitter account that you want. And so for example, I want all this my account to comment to any post that I want. So first I will need to select the post that I want comment is. Okay, so I will take the link of this post. After that, you need to prepare content. So I will go to content management, and here you can add the content about the comment that you want. And you can choose add post in here, and you can select the category, the type, and you can add the title and the content, and upload the image or video which. And after having content like this, I will go to comment function. So here you can choose many options like about terminal comment or comment to by the keyword or reply comment. Okay, so I will choose terminal comment. After that, I will select the account that I want to go to comment, and I will set up the basic configuration. So first is a breakable time between interaction. I will set up from 10 to 20 seconds, and next I will select the content. This content I already out in the content management. Okay, so next you can choose comment by post or comment to the community or comment to a personal page. After that, I will paste the link of the post that I want to comment, and you can set the number of posts each account will comment with, and you can choose interactive commenting or comment by keyword. And after everything's up, I will start and let the software do the work. Okay, so here you can see in the screen, the process is running on the throne, and the current action, the success count, and the error count. Okay, so here is my post that already have many comments that I use my tool to do it. Okay, so basically just show you the tool that help you to using multiple accounts to mass comment on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you can contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software.